When you store data in Azure Storage, each object, whether it's a file, table entry, queue message, or blob, gets its own unique URL. Understanding how these URLs are structured helps you access your data efficiently and securely. Every storage account you create has a name, and that name becomes the subdomain in the URL. Azure then appends a domain name that varies by service, whether you're using blob storage, table storage, queue storage, or file storage. You can see the endpoint's name on the screen if the storage account is named My Storage Account. To access a specific object, you simply append the path to the object within that storage account as shown in the example. This URL will take you directly to the blob named MyBlob inside the container MyContainer. If you want a friendlier or branded URL, you can set up a custom domain for blob storage. For instance, instead of users accessing data via mystorageaccount.blob.co.windows.net, you could allow them to use something like contoso.com. To do this, you create a CNAME DNS record pointing your custom subdomain to the Azure Blob endpoint. Once set, users accessing blobs.contoso.com will be routed directly to your Azure hosted blob data. So what's your key takeaway? Whether you're using the default Azure URLs or mapping a custom domain, every object in your storage account is web accessible through a properly constructed endpoint. This flexibility makes Azure Storage a powerful foundation for both internal and public-facing applications.